Today, we're going to connect the Switchbot LED strip to Home Assistant. That's right, total local control of the Switchbot LED strip. Previously, I showed you how to install the LED strip using the app and controlling via the app, but that goes over the Switchbot servers somewhere else. Thankfully, in version 2022-09, you can now control this strip via Bluetooth. If you don't have a Bluetooth adapter, now is the time to get one so that you can control the LED strip locally via Bluetooth. This is the ASUS adapter that I got. All I had to do was plug it into the thin client I have. Go down to Add Integration. Or as you can see that my Home Assistant automatically discovered, and you can click on Configure. But I didn't see that initially, so I click on Add Integration and then I search for Bluetooth. Click on the Bluetooth adapter. There's only one. Submit. Choose the area you want. Mine is in the kitchen. Click on Finish. Done. Next, hit Configure for the light strip that your Home Assistant automatically found. Submit. Enter the area. It's also in the kitchen as well. Finish. And that's it. It couldn't get any easier than that. If you want, click on the device itself, and now you can control the colors, the brightness, and on and off. I don't know if you can control the mode. I haven't tested that out yet, whether it has the strobing effects or it has the reaction to music. I didn't see it, but hopefully it's somewhere in here so that you can control it for party or mood settings. Let's take a look on how I configure it to work with Home Assistant for an automation. For trigger, it will be the front doorbell Amcrest 410 whenever it detects a human in front of my porch. When that turns on, the condition will be between 6 a.m. and 9 p.m. So whenever it detects a human between 6 a.m. and 9 p.m., what we'll do, the first thing I would do is take a photo from the Amcrest camera, and then it will turn on this Switchbot light strip. The service will be light turn on. The target will be the Switchbot light strip entity. I can choose other entities or a bunch of lights turning on and off as well, but for now it's just the Switchbot LED light strip. The color will be red. The brightness will be 100%. And then that's it. Pretty cool, right? It's amazingly cool because now I can see my triggers visually. Hopefully you found this tutorial useful. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, and thanks for watching.